Hi everybody, today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use the Google Read and Write app that I wanted the kids to have installed on their phone. So I will just start from the beginning here, and in your Google search you're going to type in the name of an animal or whatever it is you're wanting to learn. And if it looks like you're trying to be efficient, or you know there's hard words you don't want to read, however you want to use this tool, you can. You're just going to click on the icon and you're going to look up here, and this toolbar will pop up. Okay, so we want the Read and Write to read it to us. So we're going to highlight the word bears with our mouse and then click play. Okay, so this button pauses it and this button stops it all together if you want your toolbar back. Okay, another kind of fun feature is you can look up words you might not know. So you can go and highlight a word that you want to know what it means. And then you can click on the dictionary and a little screen will pop up and tell you what it means, that it's a noun and it's an environment that an organism or group live in. And it even gives you kind of another way of saying it. He felt safe on his home grounds or in his habitat. Okay. There's also a picture dictionary for habitats, and it just gives two little pictures of possible types of habitats, which is kind of a fun little thing. This right here is your screenshot reader. So if I take a screenshot of something I want the kids to read, they can still use this. It doesn't have to be something like an active website or anything like that. There's also, you can actually do a web search on here. There's all kinds of tools that make this really kind of fun to use. There's talk and type. Let's see if I can, which you would pull up in a document and you would talk and it types for you. So let's see if I can do that. Oh, well, this is highlights, which is what that little icon over on the left-hand side does. Okay. So what I've done now is to try to use some of the writing features of the app. I've pulled up a blank Google Doc, and I'm just gonna, in my doc, I'm gonna click on the Read and Write. It should come right up. There it is. Okay. So here is the talk and type. You want to allow it to use your microphone, and then it will start typing all of the words that you say so that you don't have to type. So if you feel like you're a slow typer but want to go ahead and type something and get it done quickly, this is a great way to do it. You don't have to worry about making mistakes. And then you just can stop over here. Oh, here, let's do it this way. When you're finished with a sentence, you can say period, and it'll put a period. And new paragraph, it will start a new paragraph for you. So you can direct it what to do. And there is a microphone, which I know you can't really see it there, over here on the side. And you just click it when you're ready for it to pick up your words, and click it again when you want it to stop. It's kind of cool. Okay, there's also highlighting features. What is this? Some of these I have not even quite explored. Okay, so that's what that is. Let's go back. So if I highlighted this, let's see if that would work. Would it read it to me? No. Okay. Well, I think that was for a read aloud if you were looking at a book or something. Anyway, but there's some tools on here that I haven't quite used yet, but it is super cool app to use, and I really want the kids to take advantage of it, especially this part right over here. If you click over here, it says, "Are you ready to practice reading?" So what you can do at this point is, let me grab a book here. Okay, of course, I grab one like this. It's entitled, "Why You Shouldn't Eat Your Boogers." Okay, so what you can do, open your book up when you're ready, hit start recording. Oops. At one time, it was thought that rubbing a dusty toad onto a wart or rubbing a cut potato onto it and throwing it over a fence would help it to get rid of the wart. So then you'll click stop. Oh, of course, it didn't even start. But here are the directions on how to do it. It's really a fun feature too. If you're wanting to practice fluency, you can read the same passages over and over until you're reading them so it sounds like you're talking instead of reading. So that's just a nice little feature of this. I encourage you to play around with it. Of course, you can see I didn't get it all right, but that's okay. We're here to learn and we're here to practice. So that is Google Read and Write.